Hello friends, Ben here for Giant Loop, and today I'm excited to show you a full motorcycle camping setup on the Yamaha WR250R. So this is my buddy's WR250R. Some of you that watch my channel probably recognize it, and he's loaned it to me so that I could make this fitment video for you. If you're a WR250R owner wondering what bags will fit your bike, or how to mount them, or how to put a full motorcycle camping setup on your dual sport bike, let me show you how we've done it. So this is our Overnight Plus kit, which comes with the Diablo tank bag, the Coyote Saddle Bag, and the Rogue dry bag. And I've also added a possibles pouch just to demonstrate how you can get a little bit more storage on the bike and show you our first aid possibles pouch. So let's start with the tank bag. This is our Diablo tank bag, fast and easy to mount to the WR250R. And I just went behind this frame rail right here. You just go back behind up to the mount here, and there's another strap that just goes under the neck of the motorcycle right here. Strap goes down here, and just be careful to get it behind any cables and wires that are there so you're not pinching that stuff when you tighten it down. Coolest feature of this bag is if you got to stop for gas, and you will because you're riding a WR250R with a tiny tank, is you can just zip that bag off and flip it over without removing it. Take the gas cap off, fill it up, pop it back on, zip it right back up. But I just want to show you the buckles here. So here's where it tightens down here, and then there's these elastic keepers to keep your extra strap secured under the bag. This is a great tank bag. I've used it on a ton of dual sports myself. It's a 6-liter tank bag. Plenty of room for your gear. I take all my camera gear in here. Then there's an organizer pocket here for all kinds of stuff. I got like a ram ball mount adapter and earplugs and all kinds of stuff in that. So that's the Diablo tank bag. Also, it has this really flat profile on the back, and that's to make standing up and moving around on technical terrain a little bit easier. So this is what I recommend for dual sports. The Diablo is a little bit smaller, a little bit more compact, and works well, but plenty of room to carry camping gear or your day trip stuff or whatever you want. I've had great success with it, and it's nice that it's soft, because when you're moving around on the bike and bumping into it right here with a sort of important area of your body, it doesn't hit back very hard, which is cool. So up over the back of the bike, as you can see, is the Coyote Saddle Bag. This is one of our famous horseshoe-shaped designs, and it's designed to sit on the rear of the seat here where a passenger would sit. You don't need racks, completely rackless, straps right to the bike. This Coyote bag is designed to work with any motorcycle, foot pegs or no, and this one's actually had the rear foot pegs removed. As I mentioned, this is my buddy's bike, so he's actually got Giant Loop mounts on here, just on the muffler bracket. But if these weren't here, you could just come straight to this frame rail, wrap the strap around it, pull it tight, and it would be good to go. And it's attached on the back side with fender hooks and a Giant Loop pronghorn strap. And he's actually got a rear rack under here, and that's what I've attached the pronghorn strap to for the Coyote bag. If it didn't have that, so if your WR does not have a rack, the Coyote bag comes with fender hooks that will work easily with the lip on the WR250R fender. This is the Giant Loop possibles pouch. All of our horseshoe-shaped saddlebags make it quick and easy to mount additional storage in the form of these possibles pouches. I will link those for you. I also just made a video walking you through how you attach those, so I'll link that for you too. That's just if you want to add some more storage on each side. The possibles pouch is a great way to do that. The Coyote alone, this probably has enough 40 liters for you minimal campers to get out there and do your thing. But if you want a little bit more storage, you can add another 18 liters with the Rogue dry bag. And the Rogue dry bag, like all of our products, is designed to seamlessly integrate with everything else basically that we make. This is the beaver tail that runs up and over the Coyote, and the Rogue just attaches seamlessly to it. You just put the straps through the daisy chain on the Rogue bag and then tighten that down. I've actually run it down through the rack to give myself just a little bit more stability on the back side. You don't even need to do that. You can just attach it to the bag. That gives you another 19 liters in the form of a detachable dry bag that can be open on each end to carry additional gear. I put my camp chair and table in mine when I go camping, and it's never let me down. Fully waterproof, great solution. So if you want a WR250R and you want to go motorcycle camping on it, this is the setup I would point you towards. You buy all 3 pieces of this kit, the Overnight Plus kit, then you'll save 10% off of what you would pay for each individual piece. If you want something a little bigger, for even more storage that will work on a dual sport bike like this, I might point you towards the Great Basin saddle bag. But if you have any questions about the setup or about how bags might fit your WR250R, please feel free to leave them in the comments. I'm gonna do another video on a day tripping setup with some Mojave saddle bags and maybe the Buck and Roll, the smaller tank bag, so keep an eye out for that and subscribe so you don't miss it. All of our products are backed by our limited lifetime warranty, and all orders over $75 from giantloopmoto.com ship for free. Consider subscribing to the channel for more gear overviews and other great content like these bike-specific fitment videos. And don't forget that YouTube subscribers save 10% with promo code SUBSCRIBER. Thank you for watching. Go light, go fast, go far. with giant loop.